Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you AWS account creation guide. Creating an AWS account is simple and quick. First, open your browser, head over to awsamazon.com, click on create an AWS account, enter your email address, pick a unique account name. Next, click verify email address. Check your inbox and copy paste the verification code provided. Once verified, set up your password and continue. You'll then fill in your personal or business information and agree to the terms. On the next page, input your credit or debit card details. Don't worry, AWS won't charge you, though they might place a temporary $1 hold to confirm your identity. After that, verify your phone number via SMS, choose your preferred plan, and finally, log into your AWS Management Console. Congratulations, you've just created your AWS account and are ready to start building in the cloud. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.